Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Capricorn. Today we have a special pick a card love reading, guys. So I have guidance for your relationship and career situation that will follow this general guidance. So you can stay tuned for that if you are interested, guys, Capricorn. So let's see what are these cards. We have 4 of Cups, 10 of Swords in reverse, Queen of Wands in reverse, 4 of Swords in reverse and 7 of Pentacles in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Capricorn, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. You have achieved a few things for yourself, happy for the way things have gone, and you are thinking about the next path or next opportunity, waiting to make the right choice or decide in the right way for yourself. So maybe you are expecting some offers or opportunities in your work situation, guys, and you are expecting certain results, maybe in your work or it may be in your personal life. And I also see that you are in a connection with this person. You love them a lot, but the way things are going in this connection, maybe there may be some misunderstandings you both have. Something is obstructing this love, or something is causing a lot of troubles today in this relationship. You are thinking deeply, worrying, you don't know how to go about your situation, what you need to do, or what is the right way to handle the situation. And you are lost in your thoughts. You are not aware of what is the present situation. Maybe you are hurt badly and you have not overcome the hurt. Maybe there were some arguments or fights with this person, and you have not forgotten the stressful time you had with them. But Capricorn, you need to understand that past is past. Whatever has happened, you need to let it go, because there are some new offers or opportunities or something fresh happening in your situation. So maybe for some of you, this person is coming back to you. They want to be in this connection with you, and they want better things for yourself and them beyond these fights and arguments. So even they have dreams, and they have goals and aspirations for you and themselves together. So they are thinking of better ways to reconcile with you, come back to you, say sorry, and make amends with you, guys. But you are not aware of the change of their heart, and you are simply worried about the past, going in further down and down into the sorrow and stress. So you need to be aware of your present situation, guys. Come out of this sadness or stress. And if you are wise enough, maybe even in your career situation, maybe whatever negative circumstance you were facing, if you are able to make the right choice, handle your situation effectively, you are surely coming out of difficulties today, guys, Capricorn. So whatever problems that may arise in your work or even in this relationship, you are having a lot of advantage and things going in the right way for you today, guys, Capricorn. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your relationship and career situation, guys, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your pick a card love reading, guys, today we have two cards each. So this is your pile 1 and this is your pile 2. So I have two cards, one card relating to your relationship and the second card for your career situation, guys. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then choose the pile that comes to you first, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first pile after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first pile. I will keep these cards aside. So for those who chose these two cards, the first card is for your relationship and the second card, this is for your career situation, guys. So let's see what is the first card for your relationship. It is deep knowing. So with this card, it just means that in our relationship, maybe sometimes when we meet someone, even at the first time, we will know that we will feel a deep connection with that person, and we will feel in our heart of hearts that this person is going to be a part of our life and they are going to play a meaningful role in our life. So sometimes when we cross paths with someone in our life, guys, maybe that person may be a stranger, but still we will feel a great familiarity and we will feel a connection at an impossible level, and that person leaves a mark in our life and we will feel a calling to that person, something pushing us towards them. So you need to understand that your intuition is guiding you today, and also the appearance of this card just means that whatever you intuitively feel about this person you are in connection with is the right thing, guys, and you need to trust your heart and you can go according to your intuition, and it is only going to take you towards the right path today, guys. So for those who chose this pile, this is the guidance for your relationship. So for your career situation, guys, we have this card, building blocks. So with this card, it just means that we have everything that we need to make iron into gold, everything into success. So it is time to build a strong foundation with a greater prosperity. So all you need to do is that build the strong foundation with the building blocks of our positive intentions, our dreams and goals, whatever we have. So when we build our career based on these positive intentions, we are going to reach abundance very soon, and our creativity is divinely inspired and it is going to take shape for the best for us, and we are always meant for success. When you have this positive intention towards your career situation, you are simply going to succeed, guys. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. For those who chose this card, the first two cards, that is the reading. So for those who chose the second set of cards, the first card is for your relationship, guys. Turquoise. and this is for your career situation. So with this card, it just means that in your relationship today, you need to understand that you have a story of your relationship, and that story would have changed over time. You have grown so much, and you have accepted your role, and you are being really brave, courageous. You have acknowledged the mistakes that you did, and also the remarkable work that you have done in this relationship. And you have healed from the past, learned so much in this relationship. So, reframing what has happened is taking you towards a greater wisdom and strength. And if you are looking for a good relationship, you need to rewrite the story. If you want a partnership that you simply dream of, you must not only focus on the shortcomings or challenges, but also you should never forget your strength and whatever you have given for this connection, for this love, or for any relationship for that matter. So you need to reconsider your story so that you can rewrite the best one for you. So it just means that you have to remember all the positive things you have done in any relationship instead of brooding over the past and worrying about all the mistakes or negative things that has happened, guys. So that is the energy with this card for your relationship. So let's see what is the energy with this card for your career situation, guys, for those who chose this card. It just means that you are the person who will draw your own picture in your life. So whatever you need to do, it is right in front of you, guys, and you have the power to make everything work for you, magnify your abilities and create a positive situation for you. And you are going to handle your situation in a much better way today. And maybe it is time you do everything by yourself if you want success for yourself, guys. So you have to use your creative talents to give your life a meaning and purpose, and that way you will be able to develop prosperity, and that is going to help you a lot today, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the energy here. So if you want success just like the way you dreamt, you should be the one who draws that picture. So it is in your hands, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for your relationship and career situation. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.